In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your Wise account to receive international payments seamlessly. First things first, make sure you're logged into your Wise account. It's essential to have your account information handy, so verify that you have already completed the verification process. With your account verified, you're all set to start receiving money from your senders worldwide. Now let's dive into the steps for receiving money in different currencies. To begin, take a look at the Balances section. Wise allows you to hold balances in various currencies, which is crucial for managing international payments. The most common currencies people usually deal with are US dollars and euros. This is where Wise comes in handy, as it provides you with unique local bank details for these currencies and more. To get started, simply click on the plus icon within the Balances section. A pop-up will prompt you to select Open in Balance, and this is where you'll choose the currency you wish to receive. In this demonstration, let's go with USD. Select USD and then proceed by clicking Continue. By doing this, you'll set up an account to hold funds in US dollars, and you can see your account details when you click on the respective links. These account details are very important as they are what you'll need to share with the sender. In checking your details, you'll find critical information such as account number and routing number, which will enable a smooth transaction from the sender to your Wise account. If you wish to receive money in another currency, say euros, the process is just as simple. Repeat the steps by opening an account balance for euros. Click on Open in Balance, select euros as your currency, and continue through the prompts. Each new currency balance provides you with its own set of local bank details, making it seamless to manage incoming funds from different countries. This flexibility is what makes Wise a powerful tool for anyone dealing with international transactions. It empowers you to control your finances by localizing them in different currencies, thus saving on banking fees and streamlining the process of receiving payments. Thank you for watching this step-by-step guide. Enjoy the convenience and ease that Wise offers as you receive payments in various currencies. Remember, each time you need to set up a new currency, the process is just a click away. Now you can confidently handle international transactions with ease.